Alright, YouTubers, still got this 2018 Rav4. I'll show you how to take the dash speakers out. Real simple, same tool. Alright, so we go right between the dash. There's a little pop pin. Pop. And come on, puppy. A little leverage. And the back end goes in the dash first. So you gotta pull towards you first. These little tabs go right these little guys. Not very hard. You're gonna have to get a 10 mil right there, 10 mil right there. And these can be replaced. These are actually, I think, 2.5 inch. I'm not gonna replace them, I'm just showing you how to take them out. But I would put tweeters. That's a perfect spot for tweeters if you do components. Now, I do have the door panel out from the other video, which you can also check out somewhere over here, over there. Wait, is it? I'm not sure. Wait, whatever. So, door speakers are right there. These, unfortunately, got rivets, and if you got to rivet out, I'm sure you can find the video on that, but you'll have the link for the door panel. Push this guy in, right? Push this guy in, and you smack it right there in the ass end of it. That'll push the little ball that holds the rivet in. You drill this guy out. I'm not doing it because I don't need to replace them, but just showing you. Unclip here, and you're good to go. These, unfortunately, need to get destroyed. Most Toyotas nowadays, this speaker is the actual housing, so it's actually glued to this housing. I would, depending on if the guy wants to pay, customer wants to pay, or they or she, whatever, wants to pay. If not, rip the speaker out. You're not gonna save it just to save this housing. That way you can mount a 6.5 inch speaker right to this guy, right to this plastic bracket, which is technically the speaker. I'm not gonna take it out just to show you, but you'll see what I'm talking about if you actually get it out. It's not that bad. They do sell new brackets. I think they're like 10-15 bucks, thanks to Matra. But you're good to go. I would replace them with components, but that's the dash speaker. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.